Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you all how I've made these planters. These planters are made from plastic jars. I have cut the top part of the jar, and for the lid I have pricked some holes for the drainage purpose. Then I have added some potting mix. The potting mix that I have used over here is normal garden soil mixed with some sand and some compost. The type of plants that I have grown in these planters are: the first one is Creeping Charlie, then the next one is known as the Bovilian Jew, and the third one is known as the Tangleheart plant. All these three plants can be grown from small cuttings. All these three plants are low maintenance plants. You can keep them in sunlight, shade, anywhere, wherever you want. That's it for today. Hope you all liked the video. If you all liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy gardening.